Yeah, this is subhanAllah, if you play it carelessly, like as you can see, like this is when I'm just waking up, like throughout the video, I'm just unconscious now, I'm waking up. They dragged me through the kitchen, and then you can see the bag, you can literally see a little glimpse of the bag on my stomach that I had there. And then that's when I'm waking up, and it's a nightmare, you see blood everywhere. And there's much more to the video. There's much more to the video, but I stopped it here and I sent it to the brother because after this moment, they took me to the bath. They burnt me. They did quite a lot. They ripped the bag off my stomach. They tied me up to a chair. After that, they force fed me bleach. They force fed me petrol. And I know it's petrol because everybody knows what petrol will smell like and stuff like this, you understand? So they force fed me other substance. Till today I don't know what it is. Allahu A'lam what they are, you get me? And then during this whole time, and I think to myself, why? Why is this happening to me? You understand? But wallahi, I kept on saying to them, Allah's got something better planned for you, even. Allah's got something better planned for you. And akhi, like, I lost everything that I worked hard for. On my first day at work, I got stabbed. First day at work. And then being kidnapped and being tortured. And then the video continues to me being naked. And them lot are just, akhi, they're destroying me. They're kicking up my face, they're ripping the bag, they're kicking me in my stomach or my bowel, because the bag here, it covers your bowel, because my bowel is outside my body now. So the waist, my bowel is connected to this, so this is connected to my stomach, and everything goes into this bag. And then I change it 3 or 4 times a day when it gets full. And then I already had like a core on my bowel removed. After this kidnapping, I got told I'm going to live with this bag for the rest of my life because of the further damage that happened to me. And then I went back to hospital, and then in the hospital they did a surgery on me again. You know, it was quite a very long time. It was a very long time. I can't remember. I think it was like the same time or even longer. They operated on me, and then it was hard.